So I forgot to actually record going to the art supply store yesterday, so sorry about that. But yeah, it's actually the next day, and I'm working on pouring these resin heart pieces that I'm going to make into keychains. I had ordered these coffin molds, but I guess there was like some miscommunication with the seller. And I don't know, like, she thought that I wanted it shipped out by Tuesday, which I don't know how that happened, like, because I messaged and I was like, I want them before Tuesday specifically. So like, I don't know, I don't think, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, that's not going to be here in time, so now I'm changing things up and I'm going to make these heart keychains instead. Even though I wanted the coffin ones because it's Halloween time now. It's like September, so like, you know, October is coming right around the corner, and that would have been perfect. But oh well, you know, moving on. Okay, so I made it to the festival. Everything's going okay. It's really hot. I feel like it rained really hard and now it's super humid and I feel like I'm gonna die, but I'm trooping. Here's my booth display if you guys want to see. So mad because I forgot my banner, but overall everything's okay. Everything is okay. But yeah, I'm gonna walk around and take a look, see what's going on. Yeah, so I don't really know what else to say at this point. I'll update you guys next time. And I need to learn how to like look at the camera. I don't know, like I keep looking away because I'm just so not used to. I'm using my iPhone to film, and I don't know. I don't see where the lens part is. So just bear with me here. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.